Take your adrenaline-filled camping experiences to the next level in the all-new OVR Adventure. Adventure is engineered with a massive cargo hold for even the largest gear. We believe nothing should hold you back from reaching even the most remote destinations, allowing you to take full advantage of everything nature has to offer. We're proud to bring you this amazing toy hauler and can't wait to see what you have in store for it. Adventure is packed with all the essentials, including inTech's renowned interior space, fold-down bunks, and massive dinette, where you'll spend time making lifelong memories. After all, that's what adventure is all about. When you're ready to kick back and relax, Adventure doesn't disappoint, with plenty of sleeping space for the whole crew. With all this freedom, we can't wait to see where you'll go next. Visit your nearest inTech dealer and experience the OVR Adventure for yourself.